Today we are going to discuss exercise 12b, question number 12. In the question number 12, the semicircle shown in is folded to form a right circular cone so that the arc PQ becomes the circumference of the base. Given that the diameter of the semicircle PQ is 10 cm, find the diameter of the base and the curved surface area of the cone. Here we are given with the two diameters, diameter of a semicircle and diameter of the base of cone. For the diameter of cone, we represent it with dc, and for the diameter of semicircle, we represent it with ds. Circumference of a semicircle. For the circumference formula of a circle, which you all know, is 2 pi r. Circumference formula is 2 pi r for the whole circle. Here you have to find the circumference of a semicircle. For semicircle, you will do 2 pi r divided by 2. So in this case, when you divide it by 2 pi r divided by 2, it becomes the formula of semicircle. Here what I do, we know that radius, double of the radius is equal to diameter. So I put the formula like this: pi ds. ds for the diameter of semicircle, pi is the formulas, and divided by 2 because it is the semicircle. It means if I write the circumference formula, which is 2 pi r, in terms of diameter, it becomes pi d. And for semicircle, we have to divide it by 2. So pi d divided by 2 is the circumference of semicircle. I hope you all will understand. Is equal to put the value of d and you will get 5 pi circumference value. The circumference of base of cone is equals to 5 pi because it is from the cone is made from the same semicircle. So both the circumference is equal to are same. Pi dc is equal to 5 pi. Pi dc is the diameter of the cone, and for this pi will be cutted by cancel out by the pi on the other side, and dc, diameter of cone, is equal to 5 cm. So here is our question number 12, part 1. In the next part, you have to find out the curved surface area of the cone. And the curved surface area of cone formula is pi rl. Pi is a constant, r is the radius, and l is the slant height. Radius of the cone is equal to 2.5, diameter is 5. So for the radius you have to divide 5 by 2. It becomes 2.5 centimeter radius. Slant height is equals to 5 centimeter, and put the values in the formula and you will get the curved surface area of cone, which is 39.3 centimeter square. Now let's move towards the question number 13. Here we are given a cone has a circular base of radius 5 centimeter and a height of 12 centimeter. We are given with radius and height. I have drawn the right angle triangle which looks like this, and you have to find the curved surface area of the cone. Here what we are missing is the curved surface area. Here what we are missing is this curved surface area formula is pi rl, and we are missing in this formula l. L is the, you must say, slant height, and when you look it look like a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle we use Pythagoras theorem. So use the formula Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, and your hypotenuse is actually the slant height in case of your cone. So to find the slant height, I am using Pythagoras theorem. Put the value. The radius is acting like base, and your height is acting like perpendicular. So your L is equals to 13 centimeter. For the curved surface area of cone, formula is pi rl. Put the values in the formula and you will get the answer. Next, move towards our question number 14, which is similar to 13. A cone has a circular base of radius 8 cm and slant height 20 cm. In this question, I have drawn it again a right triangle. In this right triangle, you are given with the slant height. Slant height means hypotenuse is given, and your base is again given, which is 8, but your perpendicular is missing. So in the Pythagoras theorem, which I have written in the question 13, look, hypotenuse is equals to base ka square plus perpendicular square. Here we have to find out the perpendicular. To find out the perpendicular, you have to take base square on the right hand side. Okay, on the left hand side. Hypotenuse square minus base square is equals to perpendicular square. So this is your formula. H is equals to hypotenuse square minus what is this, base square. Okay, and you will get the answer 18.33. Here I have written again wrong. The slant height is given 20, not 12. In the figure I have written it wrong. Okay, next is what you have to do. You have to find the volume of the cone, and for the volume of the cone, the formula is 1/3 pi r square h. You know what is the value of r, and you know what is the value of h. H you have find out, and r you are already given. Put the values in the formula and you will get the answer of volume of the cone. Here we are done with the question number 14. Our exercise 12b, question 1 to question number 14 is done. In the next class, we will do the other question, which is question 15, 16 and 18. And then our exercise will be ended. I hope so. You will understand. Thank you.